just says.
Sure. I really love fudge bars. They're really fucking delicious. I really fucking love them. You love them? I do.
That was a retarded friend.
What the fuck? Oh, Jesus Christ. Get the shit off me. Get it off me. Get it off me. Get it off me. Get it off me. Woo. Yeah.
I say I call Mickey back.
God is on you.
I sucked down some chocolate, if you know what I mean. I don't do that. Why are you so dramatic? You yell at everything. My name's all gray. So what's that shit wrong, mother liquor?
You just fucking blinked at me, you hoe. You call Mickey back now. And I can talk to the camera. Yeah! This is pizza. And it doesn't really go good with fudge bar, but I don't give a fuck.
Oh. Courtney's up.
She just fucking stood on my phone, bitch. She spit on my face. You have to be serious and be like, I'm in the hospital.
Drooling.
I'm drooling too.
For you, baby. I
hate you because you don't answer my goddamn phone.
I don't know.
What the fuck? You got me dead. What the hell?
I'm in the hospital. He won't answer his phone.
You're in the hospital.
I won't do it anymore.
Promise?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I don't believe you.
I promise. I just clicked on your camera.
What the hell?
I probably beeped already. Do you think it did?
No, it's still going.
Oh, I clicked on the camera. No, my hair smells like hair dye.
Well, obviously. Because it doesn't look like anything.